Now if I had a tenner for every time somebody had said to me, what exactly is it that you do, I probably wouldn't have to do anything at all. But today I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Now the work that I'm doing is restoration of a Blue-john Goblet, chip in the bowl and a hairline crack, broken stem, top and bottom, and the foot's gone to salvage, but I've still got a piece. And I'm already about 5 hours into this one, so what I've done is I've filled the bowl with a resin, a composite mixture to hold it all together. I'm going to return it, make it a bit thinner, and repair the stem and make a foot for it. And I'm also doing other bits at the same time, but enjoy the video.